Hey there YouTube, it's Darren, and we got a new RV. It's a Imagine by Grand Design. This model is a 2150 RB. Let's go in, I'll show you around. So here we are in the kitchen. You'll notice it has a flip-in countertop there. We have a trash can hanging off of that. Wall cabinets, and panning over you see a 32-inch color TV. Below that is a Jensen DVD CD player. And as I look down here, at the bottom of this cabinet is a shoe shelf. You can slide your shoes in. Very convenient coming in the door. It came with hooks, and in here, right by the door, you can kind of keep some stuff you need quickly. There's the control panel. Looking back over AC unit. This has a very quiet AC unit. It is ducted, and it's on quick cool there. And there it's you can open or close that to direct it to the ducting. This has the Chaise Lounge, and panning over to the bathroom, porcelain toilet. A lot of room in the bathroom, has a window looking out the back. Towel storage, a 30 by 36 inch shower. A lot of room, skylight up there. 6'2", I didn't have any problems in there. And there's where the towels go. That's the Nautilus squeegee fabric shower door. And over here we have a nice big vanity, a lot of countertop space there. You can set your clothes on when you are dressing. Double vanity or medicine cabinets. Very, very good storage there. And porcelain toilet, like I said, it's elongated, so you have a little bit of room there. And looking back again, we have, those are yoga mats. I have a dog that can't walk, and the floor's too slick for her, so we put those down. Furrion oven stovetop. Looking at the 32-inch TV again, the Chaise Lounge. We have the lights on, and that's perfect at nighttime for a little light to and from the bathroom. You can look out, you can see the window, a view out the window as you're sitting in on the Chaise Lounge watching TV, which is directly in front of you. And going into the bedroom. A lot of space here to walk through. You don't have to walk sideways. A lot of room to get around this full queen bed. Cabinets above the bed. Drawers below the cabinets over there. A sliding door gives you a whole lot of room to get in and out of. And you come here and it's just a big opening. Opens up into the rest of the camper. Microwave there, vent. It actually had a power vent in there. There's also a power vent in the bathroom also. A view out the window, out the back of the camper. It's nice being able to see behind the camper. Stainless steel sink. View back again of the camper, looking into the bedroom. The Chaise Lounge, which was very comfortable lay-in. There is the Chaise Lounge again. Those are blackout shades. They roll up, and you got the refrigerator, gas and electric it can run on. Beautiful sink, has a sprayer. When you're doing dishes or washing dogs. We did wash our dog in there a few times. There's the door closed. If you want to see this unit, it's a private bedroom when that door is closed. And like I could come out in the morning. I can sit on the sofa like I'm doing here. I can watch the news, drink my coffee. My wife's in there sleeping in, and she's not going to be bothered by the TV. Private bedroom, very nice. And then back into the bedroom. This is what it looks like from the other side. The door closed. thermostats over there. There's another ceiling vent. That one is not powered. TV goes there in the corner. Cable access. Looking back again. Reading lights above the bed. There's my feet. I'm laying on the bed, and I'm showing here what it looks like when you're on the bed and you want to be private in there. And there it is, open. And if you like to be able to lay on bed and, you know, talk to people, look at that. You can see the sofa perfectly as I'm on the bed. It's really, that half of the bed is really open to the rest of the camper. So you can lay there and you're really not missing out on what's going on out in the living area. And there I am on the sofa looking in, you can see the bed. So if I'm on the recliner and somebody's on the bed, you can easily talk to them and say, hey, what's going on? There's our trash can that's on the flip-up countertop. The entertainment center, the TV is really nice, directly across from the Chaise Lounge, so you can watch it directly. Beautiful camper. We just love it. Big bathroom door there, Chaise Lounge. These are blackout blinds. They're kind of you pull them and they go up nice and slow. They don't snap up. There's the windows I opened. So you do have a big picture window there on the slide, and you have a window looking out the back, the Chaise Lounge. So the lounge lifts up and there's a table that's stored under that. You put the post in and it's a removable table. Trifold sofa pulls out for a sleeper. And the slide in totally blocks the bedroom. Other way, the slide, you can use the kitchen and bathroom completely. Misty, Fifi, and I are watching Star Trek on 32-inch TV, watching Spock's Beard episode. So there you have it, a 2150 RB, Imagine by Grand Design. And my wife and I were just loving this trailer. You're going to see more of it coming up in my videos. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. I'd like to see comments, and we're going to be taking this thing all over the state of Colorado. And we're talking about maybe some out-of-state trips too. So subscribe to my channel, and we'll take you along as we take this Grand Design Imagine, and we're going to start enjoying it. And thanks for watching.